Hi students, welcome you all to the class of Entrepreneurship Development. Finance is one of the main problems faced by entrepreneurs. There are many institutions established at state level and at national level with a view to provide financial support or financial assistance to entrepreneurs. IFCI or Industrial Finance Corporation of India was the first development bank established in 1948. We already discussed about IFCI in the last class. Today we are going to discuss about ICICI, Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India. It was formed in 1955 at the initiative of World Bank, the Government of India and representative of Indian industry. Its main objective is to provide medium-term and long-term project finance to small and medium-scale industries in the private sector. Then ICICI Bank was incorporated in 1994 as a part of ICICI Group, and in 1999 it became the first Indian company listed in New York Stock Exchange. In October 2001, the board of directors of ICICI and ICICI Bank approved the merger of ICICI with its two subsidiaries, namely ICICI Personal Financial Service Limited and ICICI Capital Services Limited. ICICI Group offers a wide range of banking products and financial services through its subsidiaries. It has the subsidiaries like ICICI Bank, ICICI Prudential in life insurance sector, ICICI Securities Primary Dealership Limited, ICICI Home Finance, ICICI Securities, ICICI Lombard.com, ICICI Venture, and ICICI Direct.com. Then, mainly there are three objectives of ICICI. The first one is to assist in the creation, expansion, and modernization of private concerns. Another one to encourage the participation of internal and external capital in the private concerns. Then to encourage private ownership of industrial investment. And as the last part, we are going to discuss about the functions of ICICI. Mainly, there are the main functions of ICICI are first one, it provides long-term and medium-term loans in rupees and foreign currencies. It participates in the equity capital of the industrial concerns. It underwrites new issues of shares and debentures. It guarantees loans raised by private concerns from other sources, and it provides technical, managerial, and administrative assistance to industrial concerns. All these are about ICICI. So, as a part of the topic, institutional finance to entrepreneurs, we already discussed two topics. First one it is IFCI, Industrial Finance Corporation of India, and the second one it is ICICI. Thank you. Thank you.